And the weather's finally cleared up for me to the last pull of these potatoes. Considering these weren't even put in by me. They just came out from last year. I'm definitely not complaining. Nice big potatoes. I'm glad I weeded the bed and weeded the bed. Topped up compost otherwise. As you can see, there's a lot of worms in here. And it's all because I put down that rotted chicken manure before I topped them up. So the bed almost done now. Found quite a lot that were rotten, unfortunately, but quite a lot that aren't. And I've given a handful away already. You can see almost final bed reveal.